Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Audi A7. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter supercharger V6 pushing out 333 horsepower and 325 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Supercharged badging on the side. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Rear climate controls, rear heated seats. On back we've got a retractable wing, A7 3.0T quattro drive. All season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Wood trim, memory seats, power windows, Bose sound system. This one is the S-Line, so it's going to have the S-Line package. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats, our multimedia center, our hard keys for a media display. This A7 has 77,568 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi A7, check out feldmanimports.com.